morning. Okay, so I'm still sick, but I'm a lot better. Well done. Chill here. Oh, where's the straw for this? That's necessary. I just need a straw. Okay. Crystal! Okay, I'm taking the car. Going to work. I hate being sick. It's not fun. I don't even have cough drops. I don't know where they are. Actually, I do know where they are. I just didn't grab them. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this. Like, seriously, I don't know what I'm doing. Dang it. I left my work clothes in there for Chick-fil-A. Got the cough drops. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so stressed. I just... okay, let's go to work. Let's go to work. I don't know what's happening. It's better. Guess I'm only seeing you guys from the car today, but I'm about to head to work. I'm blurry. It's hot in this car, so I understand why it's blurry. Okay, going to work now. This is a very bright light, but it is 10 o'clock and I'm headed home now from Chick-fil-A. There was a cat in my car before I was supposed to leave, so I think it's gone now. Okay, going home. That's the moon. I think it's full tonight.